guys, welcome back. How are you guys doing today? Today I'm gonna show you this electric lighter by CDX USA. As you can see on the box, this is a special lighter as it does not require any type of gas or liquid for you to fill it up in order to use it. It works by it's an electric lighter and it works by a rechargeable battery which you charge through a micro USB port. So let's go ahead and open this. It comes in a really nice black square box. You can see it makes it a really good gift for anybody who smokes. So inside you have two contents. You have the micro USB and the lighter. So let's go first with the micro USB cable. So he's a pretty straightforward cable. You have the micro USB port and the Type A USB port right there. So let's put that aside. So here we have the lighter. The one I ordered is they call it the ethereal blue. They have three different colors. They have the black metal, they have the redwood color, and this one. This one's is pretty shiny, as you can see. Has nice reflections. I don't know about the black metal and the redwood. I believe they're not as shiny as this. Also notice that this one leaves fingerprints behind, as you can see, since it's reflective and made of metal. So on the outside, on the bottom, we have the micro USB port right there. I recommend charging it. I recommend fully charging it first before the first time you use it. On the outside you have the button right here. This is the instead of having the button over here like normal lighters they put the button over here to allow more space for this dual arc shape when you turn it on. So I'm just gonna turn it on to show you how it looks. Right there. As you can see, it's a dual arc, so it's stronger and burns faster compared to the single arc. Also, I wouldn't recommend touching that arc while using it, as you might get shock or something. I don't know what's gonna happen if you touch it. Also, the cover is pretty nice with the flick like that. Close it and open easily. If you put this in your pocket, just be careful not to sit on it and accidentally press the button, as this turns on even though you don't hear it like it's working, but it's still on, as you can see. So something to keep in mind. What's nice about these electric lighters is that once it runs out of juice, you don't have to buy gas on the store and fill it up, but instead you just grab your USB cable over here, this one, and just charge it. Connect it here, just like that, and connect this to your USB port, like from your car, the car charger, a external power bank, or to any compatible charger. The product also comes with a car charger, dual USB car charger, in case you don't have one for your car. So here it is. It comes with this dual USB charger. They have the 1 amp port and 2.1 amp port if you want to charge things faster. So this is a really nice additional product they included. So if you're interested in getting one of these, I'm gonna leave the product link in the description below where you can get it from. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.